Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-luxury real estate with a spotlight on a unique property listing by the Haliburton Gold Group. This isn't your typical waterfront property. It's a sprawling estate that redefines what luxury means in Ontario's real estate market. Stay tuned as we explore the details of this extraordinary listing and what it signifies for the high-end property market. Company, Haliburton Gold Group, and name, could be yours. Alert. Haliburton Gold Group, lists 1,449 acres, one private lake, zero neighbors or body. Most conversations about luxury waterfront property in Ontario still default to two names, Muskoka and Collingwood. But at the top of the province's waterfront market, the conversation has quietly moved somewhere neither of those names can follow. Haliburton Gold Group's listing of the Klaxon Lake Estate, 1,449.5 acres anchored by a fully enclosed 108-acre private lake, has become a case study in what ultra-luxury waterfront actually means once acreage, privacy, and water rights are pushed to their extreme. Priced at 950,000 Canadian dollars, Klaxon Lake Estate sits well above the typical high-end Ontario cottage listing. But the more telling number is acreage. The average high-end estate in Muskoka runs 2 to 6.5 acres. Collingwood's most expansive listings rarely exceed 60. Klaxon Lake occupies nearly 1,449.5 acres, built around its own private, spring-fed lake stocked with lake trout, a combination neither comparison market currently offers at this scale. In Haliburton Gold Group's experience marketing the property over the past year, three factors separate this end of the market from high-end cottage country. 1. Privacy over square footage. Full ownership of a private lake, rather than shared frontage on a public one, has become a larger price driver than finishes or floor plan. 2. Acreage is the real differentiator. At this level, land scale, not just waterfront footage, is what separates an ultra-luxury asset from a high-end cottage. 3. A different buyer profile. Transactions of this size involve longer timelines, more extensive financing, legal review, and a smaller, more discreet pool of qualified buyers. Jeff Wilson says, most of what people think they know about waterfront value comes from the cottage market. Klaxon Lake operates by different rules. Privacy and scale matter more than almost anything else at this level. Whether the property in question is a 600,000 Canadian dollars shoreline cottage or a 25 million Canadian dollars private lake estate, the fundamentals of waterfront ownership, access rights, shoreline regulation, and long-term value remain the same. Haliburton Gold Group's experience marketing Klaxon Lake Estate offers a rare extreme case view into a segment most Ontario buyers and sellers never see up close. Haliburton Gold Group, led by owners and sales representatives Jeff Wilson and Jess Wilson, broker, is a real estate team based in Haliburton, Ontario, specializing in waterfront cottages, residential homes, vacant land, and luxury estates. With 40 years of combined experience and over 1 million impressions and visits across its digital platforms, the team also includes sales representatives Jade McCartney, Devin Willis, and Joe Boyce, alongside administrative and marketing support staff.